Changing currency on Revolut is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To exchange currency, go to the home screen and tap on Exchange. Choose the currency by tapping the arrow next to the currency name and add the amount to buy or sell. And then tap on Review Order. If everything is correct with your order, tap on Confirm Order and the exchange will be executed. Once executed, the exchange cannot be cancelled or reverted. Currently, it's only possible to exchange between the following currencies. As you can see here on the screen, these are the available options. If the currency you're seeking isn't listed, it means that they don't support it as a holding currency yet. But don't worry. You can still use your card for payments or ATM withdrawals and make transfers in most currencies. They will just automatically exchange it to the appropriate currency at the available rate during the transaction.